Hi, my friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. How to apply Lagrange for this mass spring system. So, first we apply F equals ma for this mass spring system. F equals ma. So, we know that this is a spring. So, the force acting on this spring is equal to F equals Kx. So K is the spring constant. So here F acts opposite to this motion. So minus Kx equals mx double dot. So x double dot is the acceleration of this mass and x dot is the velocity of this mass. So we finally get x double dot equals minus k over mx. So this is the equation of this motion. So how to find the equation of motion using Lagrange? We'll see. First, we want to find L. So T, kinetic energy of this system, half m x dot square. So then V equals what? So I take this is the level that potential energy equals 0. So this is the potential energy 0 level, but this is a spring. So we know that the potential energy of a spring equals half kx square. So V equals half kx square. So then L equals what? T minus V. So what is T? So finally we obtain this equation. L equals half mx dot square minus half kx square. So how to find the equation of this motion? We will see. So what is the generalized coordinates of this system? So only x coordinate describe this system. So this you can understand that. So only x describe this motion. So here the generalized coordinates is x. So here x dot and here x. So da L over da x dot. By using L, you can find half m is constant and x dot is square. The derivative, partial derivative of x dot square with respect to x dot equals 2x dot equals mx dot. So then dabba L over dabba x. So this is a partial differentiation. So from this part 0 minus half times k times 2x. So 2 cancels and we get minus kx. So with by taking the differentiation of x dot, we get as only from this part, the partial derivative of x dot with minus half k squared with respect to x dot. This part is equal to 0 and here half m 2x dot. I think now you can understand. So then m is a constant and so the derivative with respect to t of x is x dot. Similarly, the derivative of x dot with respect to t is x double dot. So here m x double dot plus kx equal 0. So you can see we can obtain the similar equation using Lagrange. So this is like minus omega squared x omega squared equals k over m. Omega equals square root of k over n. So we can find t equals 2 phi over omega. So t equals 2 phi m over k. So this is the method how we can apply Lagrange for a mass spring system. Next videos I will explain how to apply Lagrange equation for more systems. So please subscribe, like and share my channel and click the bell icon, and thanks for watching me. Stay safe. Goodbye.